Hello everybody, my fellow modelers. This is the last part of the Witch's Hut video, as you've probably gathered. I've already done some bits in between filming, plus I lost a little bit of footage. It was corrupt for some reason. But I don't know if you can see, I've put some, this here is, I'll show you what it's made out of in a minute, and I've put some little flowers in, little flowers by the door. I made some little flower pots, yeah, a pumpkin, and obviously some more flowers. That's them little tufts of stuff that you can buy in little packs, but I'll show you what I made all the flower pots out of. It's really easy. The chimney I'm going to do whenever I feel like it, but you can paint that either like stone, whatever, or a brick red colour. It's entirely up to you. That's why I've left it, so it's up to you whatever colour you do it. Excuse me, I'm a bit chesty today. But there you go, that's now finished. Let me just show you properly. As you can see, flickering light with the silhouettes. Yeah, so it looks like she's got a little fire going in there. And my youngest daughter likes this so much that I'm going to give this one to her. So there you go, and I'll show you what them flower pots and all that are made out of. Let's turn that off to save the battery. Right, where did I put it? Oh, there it is. I think this was about, about £3 or something. It was only cheap, but it's called Sculpt Dry. It's like a little clay, soft clay, and it air dries, so you can make whatever you want with that. So yeah, give it a go. Or you can get the same sort of stuff, but it's a little bit dearer. It's called Daz. Where is it? I'll put it away somewhere. But it's Daz. It comes in like same sort of packet and all that, and it's a little bit dearer, but it's just as, yeah, it's good. So yeah. So hopefully you've made your Witch's Hut and you've enjoyed making it. Obviously you've had some hiccups along the way, the same as I do, but yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed it, and watch this space for the next project. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, so might be something built from scratch again, might be a model kit, could be anything. I'll see how my fancies take me. So I'll see you all soon, and carry on and enjoy modelling and do stuff yourself, whatever you can think of. Have a go, you know, it'll all come together, and once you've learnt the basics and all that. So I only do it as like a muck around hobby, so just to chill me out, although sometimes I do get frustrated. But it's fun. So watch for the next video, and I'll see you all soon. And sorry it's been so long since the last video. There's been things happening that I'd rather not go into, so I haven't had a chance to do any filming. So I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.